Hi, I'm Dr. Mobi with Lifestyle TV, and today we are covering this great event here to support a great charity. So let's welcome our chief guest as well as all the guests and participants. Hello, sir. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Thank you for coming. So tell me, what is today's event about?
So this event supports the Aziz Jahan Begum Trust for the Blind, which is a institute and a trust. The institute helps blind children in Pakistan get education from the earliest age 4 or 5, all the way through to their matriculation, and then frankly continues to help them as they go on to college and so on and into their careers. And we're very delighted that Saima has joined us today. She's one of the graduates of the institute and works in the Pakistani mission at the UN in New York.
Okay, welcome. I think, yes, I heard her speech, right?
Yes, exactly.
Wonderful speech you gave, ma'am.
Your speaker makes you famous.
Hello, please help yourself.
It wasn't the first time, and perhaps not the last time, but I don't know why it got viral. I have no idea.
Yeah, exactly.
So, we welcome you. This is Dr. Mobi from Lifestyle TV. It was really a great speech. I heard it, and I'm so happy for all the good reasons.
Thank you.
Take care.
अदिल एक सेकंड पहले आप रहे मोबी भाई उधर ही ये पकड़े जरा एक वीडियो बना दे हल्की सी नहीं तो जाना है
Sadiq, thank you for coming. Thank you. It was great seeing you again. So tell us about today's function.
Assalamu alaikum. मैं Dr. Jawad Hussain from Maryland and मेरी बहुत खुशी का मकाम है कि my own sister Nazia Shabbar Hussain has been very active with Alliance organization since a long time. और कई लोग तो सिर्फ active होते हैं, but she does real work also. And Alliance, we have been involved with her since the inception, or Alliance ने जो शुरू से ही lot of philanthropic projects challenged बच्चों से लेके तो पाकिस्तान में पानी और उधर खाने का और lot of other projects and so many local and international projects we involved in, and I'm so blessed to be part of that since then. तो आज का जो है हमारे उससे पहले मैं बताता चलूँ कि she started single-handedly and became an organizational ये जो आप देख रहे हो इसमें इनका जो है वो बन गया. तो मुझे वो शेर याद आता है कि मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. So this is how we start. We and she अल्लाह ताला ने बरकत डाली and all. तो आज का जो है particularly आज का जो है प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो Aziz Begum Trust का project है, which I have read about and I know some about, and इसमें जो है we are so blessed to be involved in this project. और ये project जो है वो visually challenged बच्चों को from inception to education to getting them up to independence in terms of job situation and all. तो ये सारा जो प्रोजेक्ट का लूप है इस अनबिलीवेबल. इसमें मुझे इलामा इकबाल का शेर याद आता है, मैं आपको सुनाता चलूँ कि वो कहते हैं कि जवानों को मेरी आहे सहर दे, हिरन शाही बच्चों को बाल पर दे, खुदाया आरज़ू मेरी यही है, मेरा नूरे बसीरत आम कर दे। तो इसमें उन्होंने जो ट्रस्ट है, उन्होंने ना सिर्फ नूरे बसारत को भी जो है वो हेल्प की है विद सिस्टमेटिक प्रॉपर एजुकेशन, बल्कि नूर बसीरत भी दिया है, उनको कुव्वत भी देते हैं कि सोसाइटी में किस तरह आपने इंडिपेंडेंट बनना है और कंट्रीब्यूट करना है और अपना मकाम बनाना है। तो इस सिलसिले में हम बहुत खुशकिस्मत हैं कि वी हैव ए लिटिल रोल टू प्ले, और अल्लाह ताला इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को और अल्लाह ताला इस ट्रस्ट को कामयाब करे।
थैंक यू।
जिंदगी भर याद रह जाए। आप लोगों से सिर्फ मोहब्बत की तलबगार आमना इनाम आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त रहेगा। साथ साथ तालियां कहाँ हैं आप लोगों की? थैंक यू सो मच। गिरते हैं सजदों में अपनी ही हसरतों की खातिर एक बार, अगर गिरते सिर्फ इश्क खुदा में तो कोई हसरत अधूरी ना रहती। तो इसलिए आज की इस महफिल को यादगार बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले एक दफ़ा चाहूँगी आप सबकी भरपूर तालियां हमारे चीफ गेस्ट, हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, स्पॉन्सर्स, किसी की भी एक इंसान मैटर करता है जब आप कोई इवेंट क्रिएट करते हैं, जब आप कोई महफिल का इनेका।
الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
I'll now read the translations to these verses. The Most Merciful taught the Quran, created man, taught him eloquence. The sun and the moon move by precise calculation, and the stars and trees prostrate. And the heaven he raised and imposed the balance, that you do not transgress within the balance. And establish weight in justice and do not make deficient the balance. And the earth he laid out for the creatures, therein is fruit and palm trees having sheaths of dates, and grain having husks and scented plants. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? He created man from clay like that of pottery, and he created the jinn from a smokeless flame of fire. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny?
इंसान के पीछे, हर कामयाब मर्द के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है। ऐसे ही कामयाब औरतें हाथ उठाएं, कामयाब औरतों का हाथ होता है, राइट? बिल्कुल। तो कहते हैं कि जी हर कामयाब मर्द के पीछे एक कामयाब औरत का हाथ होता है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। लेकिन अभी जिनका तारुफ करवाने जा रही हूँ एक ऐसी शख्सियत है उनके बारे में। Nazia has been the cornerstone for the success of Alliance organization. Her passion for helping others and projects like No Fun Being Ordinary has won many hearts. Nazia, the rapid growth of the Alliance organization is the direct result of her thought leadership. She has served the organization at various positions, including treasurer, secretary, and now president. Without a further ado, I'm honored to invite Ms. Nazia Imtiaz Hussain. Thank you so much. अभी उस शेर की दाद अब बनती है तो आपकी तालियां हो जाएं जरा। हमें खतरा नहीं उड़ान से, हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ते हैं।
Talawat. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. How about this? Another consecutive sold out event. My name is Nazia Imtiaz Hussain and I'm the current president of Apna Alliance. I want to welcome you all tonight. It is always great to get together with family and friends and support a good cause. And this is a phenomenal cause. I was very fortunate to start a program called No Fun Being Ordinary in 2019. It would incessantly bother me to see children on the spectrum not participating in activities in their communities. And I'm glad that we were able to create this, and we have tremendous support ever since 2019. Children on the spectrum or children with disabilities, it is okay to have a child with disabilities. And trust me, it's not a death sentence. So ladies and gentlemen, let's work together to have a future free of stigma, isolation, and pity. They don't need our pity, they need our support. And we can do that. I want to take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Saima Salim. Ms. Saima Salim, who is the counselor of the Permanent Mission of Pakistan to the United Nations. I would also like to welcome Ali Jedi from Aziz Jahan Begum Trust, Institute for the Blind. Thank you, Ali, for letting us do this and gather today for this great event. I want to thank Total Multimedia and our MC Amna Inam, Morni Studio, Lifestyle TV USA, the Moments event, Ms. Fakhra Khalid. I cannot very much. We sincerely appreciate each and every one of you. I want Dr. Zareen Babar, Ms. Fakhra Khalid, Dr. Mubashir Fazal, Tina, where is Tina? Yeah, Tina Malik. I would also like to thank Mr. Ibrahim of Sapphire. Lastly, I would like to say a special thank you to my great and dear friend, Ms. Shazia Manzoor. I cannot wait to have a wonderful time.
सबूत है इस चीज का। हम सब यहाँ पे इसलिए इकट्ठे हैं कि जो नाजिया ने हमारे साथ, ladies and gentlemen, our next special guest is a person with many accolades. A senior partner for world-renowned firm McKinsey leading the strategy and financial sector. A senior partner for world-renowned and president board of trustees at the Dalton School, Yale Law School Fund Board. Permanent member of Council of Foreign Relations. Board member Aziz Jahan Begum. And his list goes and goes. And the list goes and goes, so फिर तालियां भी बनती हैं ना साथ साथ. So ladies and gentlemen, without a further ado, allow me to welcome on stage Mr. Ali Jedi to say a few words about Aziz Jahan Begum Trust and their work. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening. It's an absolute pleasure and privilege to be here with all of you, all new friends that we meet tonight for the first time. I will, Sophie, as we call her, I don't call her Sophia. I stand here for Sophie to thank all of you for coming this evening. And I also want to thank Salman, her husband, who is here with us today, who does so much. There are also men who stand behind successful women. And he is one of them. So thank you all for coming. Thank you all for supporting the Aziz Jahan Begum Trust for the Blind. Let me take a couple of minutes to tell you about it. You join us on a journey. We have been on this journey for about 2 decades at this point. But because we hope to stay with you and for you to stay with us, I will tell you a little bit about how all of this came about. Aziz Jahan Begum was my grandmother, my mother's mother. She lost her sight. She started losing it very early on. She had already lost her husband to cancer. She had 7 daughter, my khala, who had retired from the Foreign Service as an ambassador of Pakistan, took that request seriously. And she said, I'm going to do something for the blind of Pakistan who are neglected, who are forgotten. And not one child has passed their matriculation with anything less than a first division. Every single child. The Institute and Trust have worked to make textbooks available in Braille. They have made it possible for the exams to be taken by students in Braille. They have argued for financial aid at places like Government College and Kinnaird College and so on, so that students can go on to get higher education. And they have allowed children to have as much potential as every child really deserves and has. And so we feel very, very grateful to all of you for joining us in this cause, and we hope that you will stay with us as we continue to go forward. There is a short video that we would like to show you about the Institute. It's very hard to describe, so I will ask you to inconvenience yourselves a little bit. And if you would come to the bar area over here, there's a TV screen. We'd like to play a short video, and then after that's done, I would like to say 1 or 2 more sentences and we will move on from there. If that's all right, those of you who are interested, please do come to the bar, and we will play a short video so that you can get an actual sense of what the place looks like. Thank you very much. Students who are at the Institute today, but the many who have come before and the many who will come in the future. So I just want to thank you on all of our behalves, on behalf of all of our trustees, all of our students, all of our staff. My mother now runs the Institute. My father passed away 4 years ago, and at 84, she goes every day to the office. She admits students, she meets parents, she hires teachers, and there's an entire staff, of course, that runs the school. So what you are joining today is a passion that our family has carried now for 2 decades. And you become part of our family when you do that. So thank you very, very much. And Nazia, again, thank you to you and to the Alliance Organization for all you have done. And inshallah will continue.
Impairments. She has not only struggled for the rights of persons with disabilities in her country, Pakistan, she is also passionate about promoting and protecting human rights, especially of different groups. She is also a strong advocate of global peace and first amongst female candidates in the CSS examination in 2007, and became first blind diplomat of Pakistan for whom rules of recruitment were amended by the government for joining foreign service. Gold medal for academic excellence in Bachelor's of Arts by Kinnaird University, and awarded Fatima Jinnah Gold Medal on International Women's Day and Quaid-e-Azam Gold Medal for Best Academic Performance. Now a bit of her internationally acclaimed speech a few weeks ago. At the United Nations, Pakistani delegate Saima Salim said, India remains in occupation of an internationally recognized disputed territory whose final disposition needs to be decided in accordance with the democratic principle of a free and impartial plebiscite under United Nations auspices, as provided for under numerous resolutions of the Security Council. In a hard-hitting statement made in exercise of a right of reply, Saima Salim said, India's views are...
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Nazia, for the kind words. Let me at the outset thank her especially for inviting me today for this event. Ali Jaddi has... How does it do that? Empowerment takes place with a combination of 3 E's: education, enabling environment, and equal opportunity. Aziz Jahan Begum Trust is the first and the only English medium school for blind children in Pakistan, which provides education free of cost. And they provide training to blind children how to read and write in Braille. They impart computer skills. Had I not been imparted computer skills and made to learn how to use a screen reader, I wouldn't have been able to appear in a computer-based exam for the CSS. Aziz Jahan Begum Trust enables children by providing them an enabling environment and imparting life skills to them. They teach you orientation and mobility. My mobility instructor was an Australian woman who made me an independent person today. I travel all over the world independently, and I'm living in a busy city like New York absolutely independently, just because of the timid child who couldn't even speak when guests were around at my parents' house. Mr. Salahuddin Jaddi, who passed away 4 years ago, transformed me into a public speaker, and I owe that to him. He would spend hours with me to teach how to pause, how to pronounce a particular word, how to put emphasis on words. So my public speaking skills are just because of that man, and I pay tribute to him. Lastly, equal opportunity is essential for every human being to become what we want to be. We were provided equal opportunity. For the first time in Pakistan's history, examination for matriculation was conducted in Braille in 99. Then into dreams, you can make things happen. And with the support of the Institute, he made it happen, and FPSC allowed me to appear in the CSS exam. And since then, all the exams have been conducted at federal and provincial level by allowing blind students to use computer so that they can write their own papers, express themselves. That is what equal opportunity means. The Institute has also instilled in me the ability to stand up for my rights and to express and demand that I need, like the rest of the people, equal opportunity. Despite the fact that I was not allowed to join foreign service because persons with disability were not allowed to join foreign service in Pakistan, I argued with the panel, and on the basis of my demand for equal opportunity and my position, rules were amended and history was made. And today,
आपकी नई नई शादी हुई है, आपका क्या पैगाम देंगे? आप क्या पैगाम देना चाहेंगे?
इनको कहीं मॉल लेके जाएगा, नवी शादी नहीं शॉपिंग कराई,
कसम नाल भी नवी शादी।
ये आपकी भी नई नई शादी हुई है, तो आप क्या 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 पैगाम देना चाहेंगे?
अब तो इतनी पुरानी हो गई है कि
देखते हैं फिर किसका नाम किस ये हटवा दीजिए प्लीज। अब आपको वेलकम कहेंगे और आपका जितना शुक्रिया अदा करें कि आपने अपना कीमती वक्त में से हमारे लिए टाइम निकाला। आप सबकी मोहब्बत के लिए बैठे। किधर है मोहब्बत है जी? क्या बात। थैंक यू। हमें आपका बहुत इंतजार था। आज डीएमवी आपको वेलकम करने के लिए एक दफा फिर से तैयार है। तो मुझे बताइए जरा क्या कहना चाहेंगी। फिर एक लफ्ज एक जुमले में अगर डीएमवी को बयान किया जाए तो कैसे करेंगे?
डीएमवी के लिए एक ही जुमला है। डीएमवी के लिए इंग्लिश में ओनली वन सेंटेंस। डीएमवी के लिए पंजाबी च इको गल कहनी है, आई लव यू। और उसके साथ अलायंस ग्रुप का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी, स्पेशली नाजिया आपका फॉर हैविंग मी ऑलवेज। थैंक यू सो मच। नो थैंक यू सो मच सीरियसली। एंड हिना जी आपका बहुत शुक्रिया कि आपने मुझे इनवाइट किया यहाँ पे। और मैं आप सब लोगों का जो यहाँ पे स्पॉन्सर्स बैठे हैं, स्पेशली टोटल मल्टीमीडिया सनी मल्ली बाजी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। उन्होंने भी इस शो को बहुत सपोर्ट किया है। और आमना इनाम तो है हमारी बहन। थैंक यू। एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, हमेशा मैं इस इंसान को बोलती हूँ सामने आओ सामने आओ सामने आओ। आता ही नहीं। अजीम भाई प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड। अरे कम फॉरवर्ड ना। एंड माया ऑल्सो म्यूजिक बेब, जिनकी वजह से आज मैं यहाँ हूँ। मेरे लिए नहीं, अलायंस ग्रुप के लिए बहुत सारी तालियां यार। शुरू करते हैं अल्लाह के ही नाम से, जो निहायत मेहरबान और करम करने वाला है। तेरे ही नाम से हर इब्तिदा है, तेरे ही नाम से हर इब्तिदा है, तेरे ही नाम से हर इंतहा है। कि तू मेरे मोहम्मद का खुदा है। अल्लाहू 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 अल्लाहू, सब मिलके अल्लाहू 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 अल्लाहू
तुमसे मिलाई मजा आ गया बरसी वही कर गई मस्तियाँ खोल कर हुस्न की मस्तियाँ जाऊँ नहीं खोल कर